How to activate at International Day Pass 2025. Traveling abroad without a plan can get expensive fast. Most people assume roaming activates automatically, but here's how to make sure at International Day Pass works the right way in 2025. International Day Pass lets you use your existing plan overseas for a daily fee. You get talk, text, and data just like at home in supported countries. To activate it, open your phone's browser and sign into your account. Go to Manage Plans, then International Features. Select International Day Pass and turn it on for your line. You can also activate it by calling customer support or using the app. Activation should be done before you travel, but it can also work if enabled during your trip. Here's what most people get wrong. You are only charged on days you actually use your phone abroad. If you keep your phone in airplane mode, you won't be charged. The daily fee covers up to 10 days per billing cycle, after which additional lines may be discounted. This makes it cost-effective for short trips. Once abroad, turn on data roaming in your phone settings. You'll receive a confirmation text when International Day Pass activates. The surprising truth is that forgetting to activate this feature can result in massive pay-per-use charges. A few minutes of setup can save hundreds of dollars. Now you're ready to travel smarter with International Day Pass. Subscribe for more travel and mobile money saving guides.